सुप्रभातं छात्राः। अद्य वयं सप्तमकक्षायाः द्वितीयपाठस्य अभ्यासं कुर्मः। सप्तमकक्षायाः द्वितीयः पाठः अस्ति दुर्बुद्धिः विनश्यति। एतां कथां सर्वे जानन्ति एव। अद्य वयम् अभ्यासं कुर्मः। पाठस्य अभ्यासः। इदानीम् अभ्यासं पठामः। पश्यन्तु। दुर्बुद्धिः विनश्यति। उच्चारणं कुरुताम्। So the main benefit of learning Sanskrit is clear pronunciation, स्पष्ट उच्चारणम्। एवम् अत्र कानिचन पदानि दत्तानि मौखिक अभ्यासार्थम्। It is for your oral exercise. प्रथमः शब्दः, the first word is फुल्लोत्फलम्। फुल्लोत्पलं। फुल्ल नाम विकसितम्, उत्पलं नाम कमलं। फुल्लोत्पलम् उच्चारणं कुर्वन्तु। फुल्लोत्पलम्। द्वितीयः शब्दः कम्बुग्रीवः। कम्बुग्रीवः। Hoping that you are repeating it at home, I am telling it twice. कम्बुग्रीवः। कम्बुग्रीवः। उक्तवान्। उक्तवान्। भवद्भ्याम्। भवद्भ्याम्। अवलम्ब्य। अवलम्ब्य। आवाभ्याम्। आवाभ्याम्। ह्रदम्। ह्रदम्। उड्डीयते। उड्डीयते। पक्त्वा। पक्त्वा। भक्षयिष्यामि। भक्षयिष्यामि। सुहृदाम्। सुहृदाम्। भ्रष्टः। भ्रष्टः। Avagatam? I hope all of you are clear with the pronunciation. Once again, I will repeat. Pullotpalam, Kambugrivaha, Uktavan, Bhavadbhyam, Avalambya, Avabhyam, Hradam, Hradam, Uddiyate, Uddiyate, Paktva, Paktva, भक्षयिष्यामि। भक्षयिष्यामि। सुहृदां। सुहृदां। भ्रष्टः। भ्रष्टः। एतेन प्रथमः अभ्यासः समाप्तः। द्वितीयः अभ्यासः। द्वितीयः अभ्यासः अस्ति एकपदेन उत्तरता। एकपदेन उत्तरता। आंसर विद द वन वर्ड। कूर्मस्य किं नाम आसीत्? What was the name of tortoise? कूर्मः means tortoise. What was the name of the tortoise? कम्बुग्रीवः। कूर्मस्य नाम कम्बुग्रीवः। सरस्तीरे के आगच्छन्? द्वितीयः प्रश्नः सरस्तीरे के आगच्छन्? उत्तरं धीवराः। Who came near the pond? The answer is fishermen. धीवराः means fishermen. ग कूर्मः केन मार्गेण अन्यत्र गन्तुम् इच्छति? कूर्मः केन मार्गेण अन्यत्र गन्तुम् इच्छति? Tortoise wants to go to another lake. By which way? By which way tortoise wants to go to another lake? Answer is Akasha Margena. Akasha Margena. By air. By air it wants to go to the another pond. लंबमानं कूर्मं दृष्ट्वा के अधावन्. लंबमानं कूर्मं दृष्ट्वा के अधावन. Looking at the hanging tortoise, who were running behind? Who were running behind? Pauraha, the people. Once again, we will read all the question and answers. Ekapadena uttarata. Answer with one word. Kurmasya kim nama asit? Uttaram Kambugrivaha. Kha prashnaha. सरस्तीरे के आगच्छन्. उत्तरं धीवराः. ग प्रश्नः. कूर्मः केन मार्गेण अन्यत्र गन्तुम् इच्छति? उत्तरम् आकाशमार्गेण. घ प्रश्नः. लम्बमानं कूर्मं दृष्ट्वा के अधावन. उत्तरं पौराः. तृतीयः अभ्यासः. प्रथमः अभ्यासः उच्चारणम् आसीत्. द्वितीयः अभ्यासः एकपदेन उत्तरत. तृतीयः अभ्यासः अस्ति अधोलिखितानि वाक्यानि कः कं प्रति कथयति इति लिखत. The following statements, who is telling and whom he is telling. I hope all of you are very clear with the story. प्रथमं पठामः. प्रथमं क वाक्यम्. अहं भवद्भ्यां सह आकाशमार्गेण गन्तुम् इच्छामि. I want to fly along with you. I want to fly along with you. Who is telling and whom he is telling? I will read first all the questions and explain you, then we will see the answers. द्वितीयः प्रश्नः. अत्र कः उपायः? What is the idea here? What is the solution here? Who is telling? Whom he is telling. Aham uttaram na dasyami. I will not give you the answer. Who is telling? Who is telling and whom he is telling. Yuyam bhasma khadata. You eat ash. You eat ash. Shall we see the answers? Yes. Aham bhavadbhyam saha आकाशमार्गेण गन्तुम् इच्छामि. कः वदति? कच्छपः वदति. कं वदति? हंसौ वदति. I want to fly with you. Who is telling? Tortoise is telling. Whom he is telling? To the swans. अत्र कः उपायः? What is the solution here? Who is telling? कः वदति? हंसौ. कं वदतः? कच्छपम. Who is telling? Swans are telling. Whom they are telling? To the tortoise. Aham uttaram na dasyami. I will not give the answer. Who is telling? Kachchapaha. Tortoise is telling. Kam. Whom he is telling? Hamsau. He is telling to the swans. Yuyam bhasma khadata. You eat ash. Who is telling? Kah vadati? Kachchapaha vadati. Kam vadati? Pauran vadati. You eat ash. Who is telling? Tortoise is telling. Whom it is telling? It is telling to the people. Once again, I will read. अधोलिखितानि वाक्यानि कः कं प्रति कथयति इति लिखत. क. अहं भवद्भ्यां सह आकाशमार्गेण गन्तुम् इच्छामि. कः? कच्छपः. कं? हंसौ. अत्र कः उपायः? कः? हंसौ. कं? कच्छपम्. अहम् उत्तरं न दास्यामि. कः? कच्छपः. कं? हंसौ. यूयं भस्म खादता. कः? कच्छपः. Come Pauran. चतुर्थः अभ्यासः मंजूषातः क्रियापदानि चित्वा वाक्यानि पूरयता. मंजूषातः from the box select the answer and fill in the blanks. First of all, let me tell you the meaning of these words. Abhinandati, encouraging. Bhakshayishyamah, we will eat. Ichchami, I like. Vadishyami, I will tell. Uddiyate, fly. Vasatisma, living. Now let's go to the sentences. Hamsabhyam saha kurmopi dash. Along with the swans, tortoise also dash. Kha. Aham kinchidapi na dash. I little dash. Yaha hitakamanam suhrudam vakyam na dash. One who dash hitakamanam, well-wishers, suhrudam, friends. Next. Ekaha kurmaha api tatraiva dash. One tortoise also there dash. Aham akashamargena anyatra gantum dash. I want to dash by airway. Vayam gruham nitva kurmam dash. Vayam gruham nitva kurmam dash. We take the tortoise to the home dash. Shall we see the answers? Yes. Hamsabhyam kurmopi uddiyate. Hamsabhyam sah kurmopi uddiyate. Aham kinchidapi na vadishyami. Aham kinchidapi na vadishyami. Yaha hitakamanam suhrudam vakyam na abhinandati. Yaha hitakamanam suhrudam vakyam na abhinandati. Ekaha kurmaha api tatraiva prativasati sma. Ekaha kurmaha api tatraiva prativasati sma. Aham akashamargena anyatra gantum ichchami. Aham akashamargena anyatra gantum ichchami. Antimam vakyam. Vayam gruham nitva kurmam bhakshayishyamah. Vayam gruham nitva kurmam bhakshayishyamah. These are all the exercises. The remaining exercises we will study in the next period. Today we have learnt 4 exercises. First one is Uchcharanam Kuruta, proper pronunciation. Next one is Ekapadena Uttarata, answer with one word. Third exercise, Kaha Kam Katayati, who is telling, whom he is telling. Fourth one, Manjushataha Kriyapadani Chitva Vakyani Purayata. By selecting the words given in the box, you have to fill in the blanks. These are all the 4 exercises. In the next class, we will learn about the remaining exercises. Thank you.